And I heard or maybe read somewhere that you said you were already starting to miss it while the fight was still going on.
Yeah, inside the octagon. I knew it would never happen again. I stepped in there and I just took it all in. I was fighting and just every single moment, every single move. I felt it deep down. And in my head, I already knew this was the final run. Everything I'd been doing my entire life, it all came down to this, that competitive rush. I'll never feel that anywhere else. I knew deep down this was my last fight.
What kind of feelings were those?
I've never felt anything like that again. Those feelings could only be experienced right there, on that exact day, that very evening, with that opponent, inside that cage. I've never had them before that night, and never had them since, and I don't think I'll ever be able to feel that way again. I think Buvaisar said that these feelings, standing on the podium, becoming an Olympic champion, you only feel them in that moment when they announce you. You step onto the podium. That's it. They announced you. You won. You live. That's it. You only feel them there. You don't feel them anywhere else. And athletes live for those feelings. They train their whole lives for them.
Do you ever think about that? That in our lives, if we're lucky, we only get maybe 1 or 2 moments like that, at that absolute peak.
Yes, very rarely. It's so rare. What is happiness really? The way I see it is when you experience certain feelings for a very short time. You can't be constantly happy, like you achieve something and then you're happy for years. It just doesn't work that way. The Almighty didn't build us that way. You get there, even when you become a champion, and you fully feel that moment, you win. And then you wake up the next morning, and that's it? Is that all I worked for? There's nothing more like that. Like, can I have seconds? You can't have seconds. It's like in our cafeteria, can I have seconds? So well, you become champion, you win, then you wake up the next day. That's it, your daily routine continues. It doesn't end. You've already got different things going on, different problems, other tasks now, and you're like, it all went by so fast. Then you wake up the next day, pack your bags, head to the airport, fly out, land back home. Everyone's celebrating, and just like that, the next day, everyone's gone. That's it.